Hello friends, my name is Murtaza Bhatti. I am an accountant in Toronto, as you know, and you also know that I do a lot of taxes for self-employed people, especially people who are driving Uber or delivering food or stuff all around Toronto or Ontario or wherever. So I just wanted to make a quick video on and discuss the HST for, let's say, UberEats. So when I say UberEats, I also want to include, with UberEats, I want to include Skip and DoodDash and Instacart and all those, delivery services. So food delivery services mainly. So let's talk about HST for UberEats. So in the, before 2021, let's put it that way, UberEats, a lot of HST registration wasn't required, and it is still not required, let me tell you that. So for Uber, now Uber mentions HST on their tax summary for UberEats. So now I'm going to explain you how it works, okay? So you as UberEats driver or delivery man, or you are a self-employed business. You're a small business, right? So the HST eligibility or the application you have to have, if your revenue is going beyond $30,000 in the coming quarter, you have to register for HST. That's, like, in simple words, that's the rule of thumb, So if your revenue is going beyond $30,000, you should get registered for HST. And let me tell you that this is your duty to inform Uber that my revenue is going beyond this. So that is why I have registered for HST, and this is my HST number. And now I want you to collect HST from the customer and give me that details. And they are gonna provide those details in your Uber tax summary, okay? So, I repeat that if your income is gonna go above $30,000, you are required to register for HST and provide that information to Uber so that they can start collecting HST on your behalf. And they would give you that information on how much HST got collected during the year in their Uber tax summary for that particular year, which is going to come to you at the end of the year, right? And if you are, now the second thing is that if you are paying that HST or if you're collecting HST, that means that you have to file HST return for that year as well. So for example, if your Uber tax summary reports HST collected during the year, during let's say 2021, then you have to file an HST return. And keep in mind that your income tax return as a self-employed is different, is one type of return, and the second type of return that you have to file is HST return, okay? Sales tax return, right? So again, I have explained how HST return is filed and how HST works for Uber drivers in a separate video. You can find that video in the videos in this channel. Just 1 minute on this thing is that the HST that you collected is reported on the Uber tax summary. But you can, if you registered for HST, you can also claim the HST that you paid on the expenses to make that or earn that income. So for example, if you collected $13 on an income, if you collected $13 HST or sales tax on the income, which we call output tax, now you're eligible to claim the HST that you paid to on different expenses to make that income. So for example, you paid on gas and phone bill, let's say you paid $5 HST. So now the amount that you're gonna remit to the government, or the HST that you're gonna pay to the government, is gonna be 13 minus 5, which is $8. So, and this is going to be mentioned in your HST return. Okay, so I've discussed this thing in detail in another video, which is only on HST. You can watch that for help, or if you have any questions, you can just write your question in the comments, and I'll answer it happily. So you take care, and let me know if of your feedback. Take care. Bye.